Modern minimalist house design with concrete, glass, and nature in perfect harmony. Introduction: the fusion of minimalism, concrete, glass, and nature. Welcome to Decor Essence. In today's video, we're exploring a breathtaking modern minimalist house design that perfectly balances the raw beauty of concrete, the transparency of glass, and the organic allure of nature. This home exemplifies how architecture can be both bold and harmonious, using simple, yet powerful materials to create a living space that celebrates both form and function. Throughout this video, we'll break down the key elements of this design, how the materials are chosen, how the spaces flow, and how nature is incorporated into the very structure of the house. If you're passionate about architecture and interior design, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below as we delve into this stunning design. Embracing minimalism, the power of simplicity. At the core of this design lies the principle of minimalism, an approach that strips away the unnecessary and highlights what is truly important. In this home, the minimalist design is achieved through clean lines, open spaces, and a purposeful absence of decorative clutter. The minimalist approach isn't about empty spaces, it's about creating a sense of openness and tranquility. Every element in this home has a purpose, whether it's the strategically placed furniture or the deliberate choice of finishes. Concrete surfaces dominate the interior, with smooth, Concrete as a central element, strength and aesthetic beauty. Concrete plays a pivotal role in this design. As one of the most versatile building materials, it offers both aesthetic and practical benefits. Its use in the home provides a sense of stability and permanence, grounding the structure firmly within its environment. Concrete's smooth, monolithic surfaces are perfect for creating walls, floors, and even furniture that blend seamlessly with the minimalist concept. Inside, the concrete walls are paired with large glass windows, allowing natural light to flood the glass, transparency and connection to nature. Glass is used extensively in this design to create a sense of openness and connection to the surrounding environment. Large glass windows and sliding doors allow uninterrupted views of the landscape, giving the inhabitants an ever-present connection to nature. Whether it's the view of the garden, the surrounding forest, or the city skyline, glass ensures that nature is always just a glance away. The transparent surfaces invite light into the home, making spaces feel more expansive and airy. Glass also creates an effortless flow between the interior and exterior. boundaries, open floor plans and flowing spaces. In this modern minimalist design, the concept of space is fluid and interconnected. The layout is open, with few interior walls, allowing for easy movement between rooms and fostering a sense of spaciousness. The kitchen, living, and dining areas are merged into one large, continuous space, with no rigid divisions between them. The strategic placement of furniture helps to define areas without disrupting the openness of the design. This open floor plan not only enhances the sense of freedom and flow but also nature as an extension of the home, indoor-outdoor living. In a modern minimalist home, nature is never far away. The design emphasizes the importance of blending the indoors with the outdoors, making the natural environment an extension of the living space. This connection is achieved through large sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and carefully curated outdoor areas that flow seamlessly into the interior. The design encourages a lifestyle that values outdoor living, with patios, terraces, and gardens integrated into the home structure. This relationship with nature promotes a feeling sustainability, and environmental harmony. While the design is minimalist in its aesthetic, it is equally mindful of the environment. Sustainability is at the heart of this home's construction, with materials chosen not only for their beauty but also for their environmental benefits. Concrete, when used thoughtfully, is a sustainable material that has a long lifespan and requires minimal maintenance. The use of glass is also energy efficient, with high-performance glazing that reduces heat loss while still allowing for maximum natural light. The house is designed to optimize passive solar gain, taking advantage of the sun's position to naturally heat and light the The role of furniture, functional and beautiful. Furniture in this modern minimalist home is carefully selected to reflect the same principles of simplicity and function. Each piece is designed to serve a specific purpose, with clean lines and a focus on quality over quantity. The furniture complements the concrete and glass surfaces, using natural materials like wood, leather, and stone to add warmth and texture to the otherwise sleek interiors. Furniture is kept to a minimum, allowing the architectural elements to shine. Simple, low-profile. Lighting, subtle elegance and ambience. Lighting plays an integral role in this design, creating atmosphere while emphasizing the natural beauty of the concrete and glass. Rather than relying on heavy, ornate light fixtures, the lighting here is subtle and carefully planned. Recessed lights and hidden LED strips illuminate key areas without detracting from the minimalist aesthetic. Task lighting is used in functional spaces like the kitchen and reading corners, while ambient lighting creates a calm and serene mood throughout the home. Natural light from the large glass windows plays a Conclusion: a perfect harmony of architecture, materials, and nature. This modern minimalist house design exemplifies the harmonious relationship between concrete, glass, and nature. Through the use of these materials, the architects have created a space that is both visually striking and functionally efficient. The openness of the floor plan, the seamless connection to the outdoors, and the thoughtful use of natural and sustainable materials make this home a perfect example of modern living at its best. It's a design that values simplicity, beauty, and functionality, offering an inspiring vision of how architecture can exist in harmony with nature.